guess what? So I did something, y'all. So this was after the Fulani wig, okay? I shared my review. They responded back. Dang. Look at the craftsmanship. I told you I've been working on stuff, and I'm finna roll out one of them today.
I'm about to roll it out right now.
Baby. Ooh. I want to see this. What could be more spectacular, fabulous than a sleigh today? Huh? How about 3 sleighs? Well, kind of. Let me explain. So, y'all remember how we had found Forever Braids on Amazon, right? And we've been tearing it down, honey. We done sold their braids out how many times already? Huh? 50, 11? Yes, we have done that. Their braids are high quality, honey. Okay. The braids are like that. The braiders' fingertips are blessed by God, okay? I said, hold a minute. Let me see how they gonna come at it if I do this. Y'all pull up an email in a minute. Y'all know that, huh? I will swap it. Y'all know that. This was after the Fulani wig, okay? I shared my review. They responded back and it says, oh my goodness, I noticed the uptick in sales before I got the email and I knew there was only one reason. Thank you so much. I just can't put into words how much each review means to our business. Being able to sell without losing all kind of profits to Amazon ads is huge for us. There's so much to say, but the most important thing is that you know how grateful we all are. Y'all, they're very, 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 very nice. She also says, I watched the review with my family and everyone had a huge smile on their face. This is a y'all thing, okay? When y'all give me the energy back, like, yes, we want to see all their wigs. You know I'm gonna do it. You know, they braid wigs, so they got a little price tag on the side. We got to do it a little bit at a time, but we gonna get through it. So then I was like, hi, that's wonderful. I'm glad that this has been positive for your business. The work is spectacular, so I love sharing it. Then I said, hey, maybe we can collaborate on a giveaway one of these days. I love to do something like that as a thank you to the supporters. Literally, y'all, same day. It might have been within minutes. I don't know. They respond definitely straight like that. It was no back and forth. None of it. You hear me? I love the Fulani wigs, blah, blah, blah. So we're going through the details. So they say we can do one such and such wig and one such and such wig. And this is so crazy because I was hoping we can get 3 wigs, y'all. But y'all, these are handmade. I already know what time it is. When they said the 2 wigs, I was like, okay. And then I was like, well, I'll just purchase the 3rd wig because I really want to do a strong 3 wig giveaway, right? They say we would have loved to do 3 wigs, but shipping individual units internationally is expensive. And then I say, I'd love to sponsor the 3rd wig. Perhaps I can cover the cost of the wig or the shipping. Would that help? If so, let's add another Fulani wig because y'all, that Fulani wig is smacking, okay? Okay, so she sent me a picture of the Ghana wig and it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna show you in a minute. I really can't bring myself to let you pay out of pocket for something that benefits my brand so much. I spoke with my spouse and he'll cover the cost. When you are supporting these small vendors, you're supporting people. This is not a huge operation that's going on. These are very talented, gifted individuals who have come together and pulled together their resources and are trying to bring something of a nice quality to people. And you may not see them because, you know, marketing, promotion, all that stuff is very expensive. Y'all know my background is in business and marketing, so I know what time it is. You already know how the game go. That's a whole nother story, so that's why I do things like this. Thank you and your family for being so gracious and your team for sponsoring the giveaway. So they said they put another little wig in there for me to try out for myself. I said, okay. So I have no clue what that wig is. So we're going to find out today. But yes, y'all, we giving away 3 of their wigs, 2 Fulani and 1 Ghana weave. And I'm so excited. So let me just tell you, this is the Fulani wig. Y'all remember when I did this? Yeah, let me tell you something. Look at the craftsmanship, huh? Look at the craftsmanship. They not out here playing with y'all. And these are full lace wigs, y'all. These are full lace wigs, okay? Somebody's fingertips had to do this. You know that, don't you? Somebody's fingertips had to grip with no slip, huh? So So come on now. We have 2 of those for the giveaway. And then, oh, they got so many nice wigs. Dang. They have so many nice braid wigs. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna put the link to their whole entire store. Honey, if you just wanna peruse their store, just peruse, honey. Just peruse, okay? Baby, honey, these holiday wigs. Oh. If you're one of the 3 winners, you're either gonna get the Fulani wig or you're gonna get the Ghana wig, okay? This is a YouTube giveaway. You have to be subscribed to Mary Kay Bella, okay? You have to subscribe to Forever Braids on YouTube. I will have the information in the description box, okay? And you also gotta like, you gotta hit that thumbs up for this video, right? And then comment. Drop down in the comments and let me know which wig you would love to win. The winners will be selected randomly, okay? Hey, you could comment as many times as you want to, as many different ways as you want to, as long as the wig choice is in your comment. I'm gonna just say it like that. The selection is gonna be random, so the more the merrier. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's all. This is a bonus, but this is what I would like y'all to do. I would like everybody who is on Instagram to follow them on Instagram too. That's not a part of the entry because this is a YouTube giveaway, okay? Let me be clear. I'm just asking y'all to do it, okay? Bam! I have a Ghana wig and 2 Fulanis right here in my hand, okay? I'm not gonna open those, but I did show you the pictures on Amazon. The Fulani wig I have reviewed. I have not reviewed the Ghana weaving wig. You know what to do to enter this giveaway. And y'all, let me look to see what it is. Oh my gosh. There it is. Can you see? Micro twist braids. They said it's new. Let me see. Hey, gorgeous. Hey. Our wig laces are hand ventilated and expertly made by experienced African braiders, period. They have installation instructions on the back, how to care for the wig, keep everything dry to avoid wig drama and odors.
Not wig drama.
I didn't even know these wigs could get dramatic, honey. They are teaching me something, okay? It's over with. Y'all know I love wigs like this. This is full lace though. Baby. And it has the strap back here for a glueless fit. Look at it. And it's adjustable. Stop playing with them. Honey, I want to see this. Hold a minute, y'all. We got to hold a minute. Something is telling me, girl, you gonna do it right now? Yes, I'm finna do it right now. I was gonna do this in another video. Hold a minute.